witches. So today we're going to talk a little bit about grounding and how you can use witchcraft to ease any anxiety that you might have. If you struggle with anxiety, please just know you're not alone. I'm actually in the process of talking to a doctor to see if getting some sort of medication is right for me. So, mine has just been out of control lately. And all of that is just to say, I got you, I totally understand, and you're not alone. And I'm really proud of you guys for doing what you're doing, just existing, even if that just means you got up today. I'm really proud of you. So, I've personally found that when I am experiencing mild anxiety, grounding and centering myself really, really helps pause, refocus, and then just go on with my life, with a better headspace. I know that's not the reality for everybody, and in fact, a lot of the times that I'm experiencing high anxiety, I can't do that, and I totally get it. But when I'm starting to get right at the beginnings of that anxiety spiral where I start to panic or whatever, I find that grounding and centering myself really helps. I also kind of pair this with some sort of music that you might like, and I find that healing vibrational music really just kind of helps exponentially, but as usual, this is not required. So I'm going to walk you through how I ground and center myself when I'm having an anxiety attack, and I hope this works for you too. So essentially, the first thing you're going to do is find some place that's really nice and comfortable, just something quiet where you're not going to be disturbed for at least 10-15 minutes. I want you to get comfortable, whether that is sitting or laying down, and close your eyes. Next, you're going to take a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth, and start envisioning yourself inhaling a beautiful, healing, golden or silver or whatever color, silver colored light, and letting it slowly fill every part of your body. And continue this for as long as you'd like. Really let that energy soak into your body and just become comfortable, right? And when you're ready, start noticing the ground that is underneath you, or whatever surface you're laying on. Notice how it is sturdy, it is unyielding, and allow your full weight to press into it. Allow it to grant you that stability that you need. So from here, you're going to just start feeling the healing energy of the earth flow through your body, and just fill it with vibrations of healing and anti-anxiety, just releasing any negative thoughts. And let your anxieties literally flow into the earth beneath you. Let it dissipate and get absorbed by the earth until all that is left is just that healing, positive energy. Sit in that state of calmness for as long as you'd like, absorbing all of that healing earth energy. And when you're ready, slowly take a few deep breaths and allow that healing energy to slowly and gently fade out back down into the earth. At the end of this, you should feel a lot better, hopefully. And really, I recommend that you thank the earth for its help, and slowly open your eyes and start to move around at your leisure. So personally, I love this meditation, and I've made it a staple in my practice. I've also started bringing kind of offerings to the earth anytime that I can, and started honoring that element a lot. I really, really love working with the element of the earth, and I've come around to working with it a lot more recently. It's the element I'm most drawn to as being an earth sign, and it's just helped me immensely, so I hope this helps you too. Tomorrow we're going to start on the second topic of this month, which is protective magic, and this meditation is useful in that, so I really hope it helps you, and I'd love to hear any experiences that you guys have. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.